Ako ba yung gagong hindi ko babayaran yung anti-rabies ng neighbor ko? We live in an apartment building with parking downstairs. Meron akong pinapakain na stray dog doon, pero I always make sure na after niya kumain, nililinis ko agad yung pinagkainan niya. In the 3 years we've lived here, all the tenants know that I'm the one feeding that dog. Yung dog naman, hindi rin siya tumatambay sa labas ng gate maghapon. May routine siya. Around midnight lang siya pumupunta at mag-aabang na lumabas ako. Kaya tuwing midnight din ako lumalabas. So, here's what happened. Gabi, nagpunta ulit yung dog at pinakain ko. Pero nagmamadali ako kasi may meeting na ako in a bit. Kaya umakyat na muna ako agad at naisip ko na babalikan ko na lang yung pinagkainan niya after. This time, pinakain ko siya sa gilid ng gate para if ever may tenant na maglalabas ng sasakyan, di siya nakaharang at hindi siya maatrasan. Nagulat ako bigla na lang may kumakalabog na katok sa pinto namin. When I opened it, this couple was yelling at me, kinagat daw ng pinapakain kong aso yung husband niya. I told them I'd cover his anti-rabies shots and everything. Sabi nila may pupuntahan pa raw sila kaya sa hapon na lang daw pag-usapan. Nung araw na yon, habang nag-aantay ako, naisipan namin ng girlfriend ko to request a copy of the CCTV footage to see what really happened. Nagtaka kasi kami, bakit siya kinagat ng dog? Sobrang bait at maamo nun. Pagkakuha ko ng footage, nang gigigil at nabwisit talaga ako. Turns out, nung nagbukas pala ng gate yung lalaki, tinadyakan niya yung aso na nananahimik lang sa gilid. I don't even know anong dahilan para gawin niya yun. Syempre, magagalit yung dog, kaya kinagat siya. Kaninang hapon, nagtalo kami. I told them I wouldn't be paying for his treatment anymore since it was clearly his fault. Nagsigawan talaga sila at sinabi na isusumbong daw ako sa landlord at ipapabarangay. Mind you, 1 month pa lang sila dito, pero ganyan na kagaspang yung ugali nila. Ako ba yung gago na hindi ko babayaran yung anti-rabies nila? Bayaran ko na lang ba para matapos na?
Oh no. Hi friend, I'm Iya from the Philippines.
And I'm Val from Finland, and welcome to Hi Friend Podcast.
If you enjoyed hanging out with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next round of our Reddit stories. Got your own story? Drop it in the comments and send it to us, and we might just read it on our next episode. So,
until next time, stay warm, stay tropical, and as always, bye friend.
Bye friend!